I've been using Notion for a few months now on a personal project, and there are two things that I find crazy that Notion can't do. Number one, they need to add a rating property. This is something that Airtable has, even I think Google Sheets has this. And I was just in an Airtable database the other day, and I wanted to change the rating of something, and I could slide over with my mouse on the rating field to change the rating. There are things in life that we want to rate, especially within a database and a list. And even though I know we can hack this with a single select property in Notion, it's not the same. Number two, Notion, please add property labels to the Kanban view. I love the Kanban view, but there are times when I've got a property in there, especially a text field, and there's no context about what it is. For instance, I have a list that I share with somebody else, and we each have a property field within the database to add our notes to the list. And I want to show those notes in the Kanban view in a way that says, Daniel's notes, Scott's notes. But because there is no property label in the Kanban view, I don't know whose notes belong to whom. And if I were to share the page with someone, they wouldn't know either. I can imagine there's lots of other use cases where other folks would want to see the property labels. I know Notion just spent years developing offline mode, a super complicated endeavor, but I would think rating property and property labels in Kanban view should be relatively simple. Notion, if you're listening, would love to see you tackle these in the near future. Also curious, what do you feel is missing from Notion that's just a no-brainer? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much.